Every HR director, CEO, and C-level executive knows how hard it is to get the most out of each employee. Some need little to no management to perform at their very best, while others seem to never reach their capacity, regardless of how much effort you put into them. Executives and employees that are not performing at their max potential cost the companies hundreds of thousands of dollars. The impact is beyond financial loss, affecting morale, attitudes, and the dynamics of the teams that you lead or are a part of. If you've ever felt frustration over underperforming employees that feel entitled and want you to do everything for them, while they do less and less, you're in the right place. My name is Lizzie Claesson, and I am a high-performance coach with more than 20 years of experience, coaching leaders, very successful leaders, all over the world. And my promise to you is to get your underperforming leaders, teams, and employees in their best shape, exceeding your expectations.